Hello and welcome to today's video. Hey guys, it is Maggie Liz and welcome to today's video. So as you can tell, I'm going to be playing Will You Press the Button. If you have never heard of that game, basically it's going to give you an option like you will get like the best piece of cake you will ever have, but this will happen. It will usually be something pretty bad. So you'll either press the button like, okay, yeah, I can deal with that, or you'll press I will not, and yeah, that's basically the game. So let's get into it. You can breathe in space, but you will constantly hear whispering voices when you're out there. I would probably have to say I won't. Mainly because why would I ever need to breathe in space? I'm never going to go there unless if I become an astronaut, but that's not going to happen. So I would definitely have to say I will not. Um, 70% press the button. Wow. Okay. And shut up ads. Okay. You gain perfect memory, but you can never watch porn again. I can do that. I don't watch porn, so yeah, I will press the button because I have terrible memory. 77 yeah, 77% press the button. That's a long one. Alright, world peace will begin and last for eternity. Earth will no longer have wars, battles, or gang wars. Murder rate will slow to nearly a halt. But it must face a 100-year war that will traumatize soldiers and civilians. Mass populations will die horribly, and it will burn into the memories of every human and pass on to children after children. Aliens will look in disgust at the human race. The war will never be forgotten. That's a hard one. So basically it's saying if I press the button, world peace will begin, but we first must face a 100-year war that will basically fuck everyone up. Physically and mentally. I'm gonna have to say I won't. Because I mean, yeah, like there's a lot of bad shit that's going on, but not as bad as that. Like I don't know if I'd be able to deal with knowing I'm the reason for that. So I will not. If it will let me push it. There we go. 49% push the button, so it's barely under half. Wow. You are able to vividly remember whatever you wish, but if you try to recall those memories, they are followed by terrible nightmares. Like what are we talking about here? Like what kind? And you spelled nightmares wrong. Like what kind of nightmares are we talking about? Like watching like my best friend like get slaughtered in front of me, or um I will not. I don't know if I'd be able to handle that. Yeah, only 44% push the button. You get a Lamborghini of your choice, but you have to pay $5 every day for the rest of your life and you can't back out. No, I. The only reason why I have to say that though is because I personally don't want a Lamborghini. I don't really think they're like the most amazing cars or anything like that. So it wouldn't be worth it for me. So I would have to say I will not. 46% only press the button. You can't feel any sort of pain, but have more of a chance of dying early in life. No, because I feel like pain has to like mental and physically, like makes you stronger. So I wouldn't press the button just because I wouldn't want to feel pain, but if I don't feel it, then I won't be as strong as I am now or in the future. So I will not. 39% press the button. Nice. Alright. You control the world in any office in space with the power to see anything going on in Earth. But you may never leave your office ever again. No. Mainly because I, one, want to experience life. I don't want to be stuck in an office my entire life. And also, I wouldn't want to control everything because I don't want something shitty to happen and it be my fault and that will like be on my shoulders for the rest of my life. So I will not. And only 43% said that they would press the button. You will have super fast internet that never fails, but all downloading sites will be blocked. I'd be fine with that. Well, hold on. Like, I don't know, because if that means for my phone too, that means I can't download like Facebook, YouTube, things like that. Actually, I'm pretty sure YouTube came with this phone, but still, like Twitter, I would have to go like on a website and that would take forever. And like on my computer, I'd be fine with it because the only thing I ever do on my laptop is YouTube. So I will not. And only 39% said they would press the button. You wake up from a coma with a new life. You're successful and attractive and in any way you want. But you must leave your old family and friends behind with no contact allowed while still having memories of your old life. And if you have no close family of friend and you have no close family or friends when you wake up. No, because I am happy with my life right now and I definitely wouldn't want to give up losing my family, my friends. So I will not. And 47% pressed the button, which is still shocking that that many people did it. Come on. You can cure any one of any disease, but you can never fall in love. Oh, that's the hardest one because I would love to cure like cancer and like AIDS and things like that, but I would never be able to fall in love, and that would fucking suck. Oh, I don't know. I really don't know which one to choose. Like, I don't know if I would press the button or if I wouldn't. This is probably the hardest decision I've ever had to make. Even though, yeah, it's a game, so whichever one I choose, it wouldn't actually come true, but still. I would probably have to say I will not. Like I said before, like that one's really fucking hard. I feel bad for not pushing the button, but I also don't want to fall in love, but I also don't want people to keep dying from diseases. Like I don't I have to say I will not. 57% click the button, so God, that was a hard fucking choice though. It was bad. You have the best computer in the world, but you can't play any sports. I'm fine with that. Yeah, 72% was like, fuck yeah. Like, hell yeah, let's do that. You may enter any game show reality you choose, but you lose all your memories, including the reason why you went there. No. I don't think I'd be able to do it. There's a 50-50 chance you will become immortal, but there's also a 50-50 chance you die immediately. Yeah, no, I'm good. Sorry, I choose life. There will be a complete peace in the world, but everyone you know or have ever known dies. I can't press the button. I can't. You get true immortality, stop aging, and you'll never again be sick in your life, but you have to live as a member of the opposite sex, assuming you fit into the gender binary. Your gender identity and sexual preference are not changed. So basically, I will be a boy, but I'll identify as a girl and I will still be bisexual. Is that what it's saying? No, I wouldn't want to be immortal, for one, because I wouldn't want to watch, like, everyone around me die. I don't want to be, like, 18 and having, like, my best friend who's 17 right now be 70 and me still look 18 and be 18 and then watch her slowly die. Like, I wouldn't be able to do that, so I will not. One of your senses becomes superhuman, but two of your other senses become greatly lessened. No, I'm fine with everything that I have, even though I would love my eyesight to be better, but I can always fix that with surgery. So, one of your senses becomes superhuman. Oh, sorry, I just fucking read that. You get to live in your favorite video game universe, being whatever type of character of your making, but you stay as a side character and you will be completely irrelevant to the main character. My favorite video game is Grand Theft Auto, so I don't really know how I should answer that. Like, that's always been one of my favorite games, so I don't really know how I should answer that. Probably I will not. You escape an accident that will lead to your death, but two strangers die. Is it bad that I'd kind of be okay with that? Like, it's not like it's like my parents or something, but I'm gonna have to push the button, sorry. And 70% agreed with me, so at least I don't seem like much of an asshole. Firefly will be brought back, but BBC Sherlock will be cancelled. Um, I, um, yeah, I don't watch either of those. I'm guessing they're TV shows, so, I'm just gonna push I will not. Sorry. I've never even watched either of them, so. You became a bestseller writer and make a fortune, but your works are ridiculed by the public and are only popular with stupid teenage girls. No. Cuz I don't want like just like one age group to read what I write, so be a character in your favorite movie or book, but you're the character who dies first. No, I'm good. No one will ever give you up or let you down, but no one will run around and desert you. I knew, like, when I got to the very end of, like, the top one, that it was, that one song. What the fuck is it called? Never Gonna Give You Up or whatever. I knew it was that song. Uh, I don't even know how I should answer that. I guess I will not. I don't fucking know. You will be able to turn into a person that is 15 meters tall, but you have to take orders from someone really, really short. Nah, I'm good. I'm good with my height. Unless if I don't know how tall 15 meters is. I have no idea. So, you saved the world, but nobody actually knows you did it. I'm fine with that. Hey, 80% of the people push the button, so they're not assholes. Ability to speak, read, write, and sign in any language, but not being able to taste food. No, I'm good. Alright, this is gonna be the last one. You are immortal and have Wolverine powers, but you are teleported to the most forsaken place in the universe. Um, no. Like I said before, I wouldn't want to be immortal anyway. So, I would have to say no. But, I guess that wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, smash that like button. Also, comment for suggestions on upcoming videos that has to do with apps, Musically, or whatever you want. All my social media will be down in the description, so go follow me on all those. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I will see all of you in the next video as always. Bye guys.